After helping to treat COVID-19 patients in places like Italy, Sudan, and New York that struggled to contain a coronavirus epidemic earlier this year, Samaritan's Purse is now here in the Bahamas. Over the last few days, a 30-member team from the faith-based organization erected this 30-bed COVID isolation unit to assist in the local fight against the deadly virus as medical facilities on the island remain strained.
Our goal here is really to come alongside and support Princess Margaret Hospital here. As I'm sure you know, they've been quite overwhelmed with the caseload of how many COVID-19 patients have needed hospitalization. And so we came really as an extension of them.
The main thing that started this was the Prime Minister reached out to us and asked if we could come and help. If we could come help again as the nation was struggling through another disaster.
The unit is comprised of 7 tents: a medical supply tent, administration tent, changing tent, donning and doffing tent, 3 patient wards, and a tent for protective equipment. The facility is expected to begin taking patients sometime today. The additional bed capacity comes after National HIV/AIDS and Infectious Disease Program Director Dr. Nikia Forbes admitted that the Bahamas is close to reaching the point where healthcare workers might have to decide who lives and who dies due to the strain placed on the system by the COVID-19 pandemic.
We're coming along as extra capacity to allow them to see this is an additional 30 patients that they wouldn't have been able to take and treat had we not come and set up this ward.
The Bahamas has reported nearly 6,000 cases since March, and the number of deaths and hospitalized cases have continued to increase in recent weeks. 3 doctors and 12 nurses from Samaritan's Purse will work with PMH's staff to man the facility. Samaritan Purse's team also consists of engineers.
We'll be here for 4 to 6 weeks ourselves, being able to provide surge capacity, and then we're looking at whether or not it's handed over to Princess Margaret Hospital to continue care in this facility ongoing.
This is not Samaritan's Purse's first time coming to the Bahamas' aid. The organization was one of the most prominent NGOs on the ground in the aftermath of Hurricane Dorian in 2019, providing much-needed support and setting up a field hospital on Grand Bahama. Reporting for the Guardian News Network, I'm Berthany McDermott.